In this video, we'll be dropping missing values with the dropna method. So let's take a look at our duration column once again. And you can see here, this value over here is missing. So when you call dropna, every single value that is missing will get dropped. And so we'll have here, this is the resulting value. Now, like almost all of these methods, this does not affect the duration series itself. This creates a new copy of a series, and we can verify that by, let's go ahead and just assign this to S over here, and let's look at the length of S has 4901, and the length of duration is 4916. So indeed, those 15 missing values were dropped, and you can prove to yourself that these are dropped by doing what we did in the last video. So there are now no missing values. So that is dropna, very useful when you want to just remove all of the missing values. Just know that it returns a new series. The original one is unchanged.